Welcome to Big Daddy Storytime. We're reading Transformers Rescue Bots, Reading Adventures. Meet Boulder the Construction Bot. Attention, Rescue Bot fans. Look for these words when you read this book. Can you spot them all? Cat, lion, crate, plant. The phone rings in the firehouse. Emergency! Come right away, the chief hears the caller say. It could be a fire, says Danny. Or a broken pipe, says Graham. The rescue bots change form. The humans jump inside and go. They arrive at a home. What a surprise! It is just a cat stuck in a tree. Boulder changes back into a robot. He helps the cat climb onto his body. The owner is happy. Later, Boulder asks Cody about pets. Cody thinks pets are cool. Some pets even work on rescue teams, Cody says. Wow, says Boulder. Now Boulder wants to get a pet for the rescue team. He wants it to be a surprise. So Blades and Boulder sneak out at night. Boulder went to find a pet at the zoo. The gates are locked. Boulder turns off the power. The gates unlock and all the cages open. Look, says Boulder. Here is the perfect pet. He points to a large lion. It reminds him of the cat that he rescued. We can call it Whiskers, says Boulder. The lion roars. It leaps out of its cage and into a tree. Then it jumps over the zoo wall. The lion has escaped. The next day, Chief Burns gets a call for help. He and the rescue team rush out to find the lion in a tree. We found my pet, says Boulder. That is no pet, Graham says. That is a wild animal. It needs to go back to the zoo. Boulder looks sad. Human ways are so confusing, says Boulder. The lion jumps from the tree. Chase tries to grab it, but misses. The animal runs down a busy street. The team must catch the lion. Rescue bots, roll to the rescue, says Heatwave. Boulder drives up on one side of the lion. Heatwave drives up on the other side. The lion snarls and growls. It is trapped. Now, shouts Graham. Blades drops down a huge cage. The lion is locked in the cage. Great catch, says Cody. The animal is put back in the zoo. The mayor makes sure the cage is locked. Whiskers was too much work, Boulder tells the team, but it would be nice to have a pet. I know how you feel, says Cody, so I got you something to care for. Cody hands Boulder a plant. Come on, boy, Boulder says to the plant. Want to play catch? Cody laughs and shakes his head. Boulder, he says, plants do not play catch. What have we learned today? We have learned from Cody telling Boulder there are pets that are used as rescue pets, or family pets, or even wild pets like the ones at the zoo. Remember to have fun rolling to the rescue. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Story Time. Be blessed. Bye bye.